So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 3D stacked bar chart on Keynote to a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, press on chart right here in the top between text and table, press on chart. Make sure that you press on 3D, so if 2D is selected, press on 3D. Then just scroll down, so there's to the second row on the right hand side, this option right here. This is of course an example of a 3D stacked bar chart. Now, if you were to go ahead and make this a little bit larger and kind of move it around, you can kind of view the 3D dimensions of it just like this. But if you want to verify that's a 3D stacked bar chart, press on the chart, go to the bottom right under chart type, and make sure that 3D stacked bar has a check beside it. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to add a 3D stacked bar chart to a Keynote presentation here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.